Hi everybody, this is Bob Maxwell with Ram Manufacturing Equipment over here in Corona, California, and I want to show you a little demo about a machine that we have called our Ram SCD-300. And I designed this machine back in about 2008. We were selling a lot of dicers, but some people didn't need the high volume of, like, for example, our MHS Model 850-90 does about 12 to 1,500 pounds an hour. A lot of customers didn't need that. So I designed this machine. It does maybe 300 to 400 pounds an hour. And so this is a great starter from going from hand dicing or hand strip cutting to automation. A couple of features about the machine. You have this is the infeed conveyor. This is the infeed cover so that person's hand can't get to the blades. We do have two safeties. So when this guard is lifted up, we have a safety here and the machine will shut off. So we're running the machine, somebody lifts the guard up and the machine stops. Closes it, the machine starts. Then we also have a second safety. And that safety is if you lift this guard up, there's a sensor here. All right, so there's no way that the operator will be able to lift this up and the machine to continue to run. Also, on this side, we have a couple of wing nuts that you unscrew. There's a support that drops down and then allows this carriage to slide right out. Originally, we used to put these blades in ourselves, but these blades are so sharp, these disc blades are so sharp that they'll cut you. So we came up with this replaceable carriage. So if you want to go, this is set at 1/4 inch. If you want to go at 1/2 inch, you just loosen these two wing nuts over here. This slides out and you slide in the 1/2 inch carriage. So very simple, very, very safe. We have a toggle switch here. So if you want to move the product through, you would lift it up and it goes in a forward motion. And then if something gets stuck or it's not going in at the right angle, then you have a reverse and it backs the product back up again. So the power on this is 220 single phase. So it can be used in any operation as long as you have a power switch for your lights or your regular plugs. You can plug this machine in. So now we're going to go ahead and run some product. Okay, now we have our two chicken breasts. We have our 1 inch wide blade set in here, and so now we're going to strip cut these at 1 inch. Turn our forward power on. Chicken breasts are starting to go through the disc blades. So here you have 1 inch, consistent 1 inch pieces, 1 inch thick pieces. These can be used for things like chicken tenders. Perfect for chicken tenders. Now we're going to pick these up. We're going to put them the opposite way, and we're going to go ahead and dice at a 1 inch dice. So remember, these came out this way, so we turn them the opposite way, or 90 degrees. Put our forward button toggle on. Now those strips are going through the cutting disc. And now you have these beautiful 1-inch cubes. This would be great for like orange chicken, some of the Asian dishes. Take it and dice like this, and then just bread it and deep fry it. So just to summarize, this is our model SCD-300. That's model SCD-300. It's a strip cutter and a dicer. It's a RAM model, and it's got a 1-year warranty on all non-wearable parts. We just did chicken and beef today in our demos, but you can do vegetables with it. There's a lot of other products that you can do with this. So it's a great intermediate machine, a first step from going from manual slicing into some sort of automation at a really great price. So give us a call here at RAM at 951-734-8152, and we'll be able to answer all your questions. Thank you. Have a blessed day.